Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redirect domain to another domain in Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, go to Hostinger and log into your account from the top right corner. This will take you to your Hostinger dashboard. If you have multiple domains, click Domains at the top to access the My Domains page. Now select the domain you want to redirect. Click Manage to enter the domain dashboard. Scroll down to find the option Forward your domain to an existing website. Click Forward Domain. Next, enter the URL you want to redirect your domain to. For this example, I will forward it to my YouTube channel. Copy the exact URL of your destination site. Paste this URL into the field in Hostinger. Keep www if necessary. Click Create. The system will now set up the domain forwarding. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours to activate, but sometimes it works instantly. So, that's basically how you can redirect domain to another domain in Hostinger. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.